Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to move the eSIM. Start now by unlocking both iPhones and confirming carrier support. Once done, open Settings on the old iPhone, tap Cellular, then choose the eSIM you want to transfer. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled so devices see each other, and keep them close. If prompted, sign into your Apple ID to authorize device-to-device transfer. This first action hands control to the new phone and initiates the secure provisioning flow. You now follow the middle steps to finish provisioning. On the new iPhone, tap Add Cellular Plan and choose Transfer from nearby iPhone. You'll see a quick animation showing progress. Accept carrier terms, and if asked, enter the SIM PIN or verification code the carrier provided. The phones exchange credentials securely, so let them complete without interruption. Once the new phone shows the plan and the status changes to activated, test by toggling cellular data and making a quick call to confirm. Finish by verifying the new iPhone has signal and data. Then remove the eSIM from the old iPhone to avoid duplicate plans. If the transfer stalls, restart both devices, ensure Wi-Fi/Bluetooth remain on, and repeat the transfer steps. Transient network or software glitches often clear this way. If you still can't activate, contact your carrier to reissue the eSIM or provide a QR code. This resolves most provisioning issues. One key tip: keep both phones charged and online during the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.